Warm weather continues into the next couple of days. Details of when rain chances will be returning.
Streaming online 24 hours a day. This is WJTV News Channel 12 at 10.
Let's check in with Storm Team 12's meteorologist, Efren Afonte.
You know, it was an absolutely beautiful start to the morning, beautiful start to the day for the game. We start off with temperatures pretty much in the upper 40s, a little bit cooler in our northeast communities, but then into the middle to upper 40s, even a few 50s around our river communities. And we gone through the afternoon, we were hitting highs right around game time in the lower 70s with a lot of sunshine. We've cooled down quite a bit. We're now 61 degrees in Canton, 57 down in Macomb, but it was a windy day. We were hitting wind gusts today in excess of 25 miles an hour. So 15-mile-an-hour winds gusting up to 25. You can see why the ball got kicked off the tee a few times during the game. Right now, the winds are still out of the south, generally up to 10 miles an hour, give or take. So we will continue with those winds not only into this evening, but into the early morning hours for tomorrow. Now, satellite and radar, we've been clear all day today. A few light clouds have been trying to get through, but we're going to stay mostly clear until the overnight. A few clouds will come in, and if you're heading back out or if you're out right now, by midnight, 59 degrees, partly cloudy skies, winds sustained about 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's going to be a beautiful night if you're celebrating or if you're not celebrating and still outside. Details of what the weather's going to be like for the rain chances, I got that coming up in 6 minutes. Warm weather continues and the temperatures are going to be nice not only tomorrow, but going until Monday as we wait for a cold front that'll be coming through. Rain chances will return, but not for all of us. Details in your Storm Team 12 forecast when we return.
And now your Storm Team 12 weather forecast with meteorologist Efren Afonte.
Welcome back. Today was an absolutely beautiful day. We started out this morning with a mix of sun and clouds, partly cloudy start this morning, and then now we've got clear skies all throughout the Magnolia State. And pretty much the entire country's been dealing with really nice weather. You know, not a lot of precipitation other than a few states, and just like us, Live IMAX 12 radar is clear of any precipitation, and we're going to stay like that overnight tonight as well as into tomorrow. Conditions right now here in Jackson, we're sitting at 61 degrees with clear skies. Winds are still out of the south at about 11 miles an hour. Most of the state is still mild with temperatures varying. At Carthage, 57 degrees. Out of Monticello, 58. Out of Natchez, 59 degrees. And look at Port Gibson and Vicksburg at 60 degrees. Now, we will stay rather mild. It's still up right now, 58 degrees up in Tupelo, but a little bit cooler down in Pascagoula at 48. As the warm air starts to rush in later on tonight, we're looking at overnight lows pretty much in the middle to even upper 50s. A few of our river communities might see actually 60 degrees overnight tonight. The forecast here in Jackson, we're looking at 54 degrees. We'll have partly cloudy skies into the early morning hours and south winds about 10 to 15 miles an hour. 54 is pretty mild for this time of the year. And then tomorrow with partly sunny skies more towards the afternoon, we're looking at a high of 71 degrees with sustained winds continuing out of the south. And everybody's going to be dealing with the nice conditions pretty much in the lower 70s. A few of our northern communities, though, will be hitting in the areas just around 68 to 69 degrees. And the winds, though, we're looking at winds tomorrow to be generally around 15 miles an hour or so out of the south and southwest. And that'll be bringing in even warmer temperatures and a lot of moisture as it's been doing today. But we're not going to be dealing with much overnight tonight. And then as we start off tomorrow, some partly cloudy skies turning into partly sunny skies, but we're not expecting any rain at all tomorrow. Then Monday, as you head back to work or to school, cloud coverage starts building in, and then we'll be watching a cold front that'll be moving in. Some of us, especially from the upper delta down to the river communities, will be dealing with a chance of rain for the metro, basically from the trace and all parts to the east and south. We're probably going to be missed with most of the rain chances. It'll be out of here by Tuesday and then clearing skies once again. So the cold front's really not going to give a lot of rain chances, but it'll be a 20% chance for most of our northern and northwest communities. 71 pair on Sunday and Monday. And as the cold front comes through, temperatures dip just a little bit. We're looking at 67 degrees on Wednesday. Next chance of rain doesn't come in until Friday, and the unseasonably warm weather will continue. We're looking at the upper 60s right through the work week with lows in the upper 40s to even lower 50s. So it is going to be an unseasonably warm day, but it is going to be nice to be outside. Like today was beautiful. You got stuck inside Buffalo Wild Wings all day. Never got a chance to go outside. It was nice.
But walking from the parking lot inside the building, I didn't even need a sweater.
Nope, not. And it's the end of November, and usually this is when we start getting a little bit cooler. Not now, and we're not expecting cool weather for a good couple days still.
Well, you know what I think it was? Those past 2 weeks, it was freezing. So I think that was way too cold for this time of the year. So Mother Nature's trying to even it out. Exactly. Okay, and it's a very warm day for this type of year. Let's toss it over to meteorologist Efren Afonte to see how warm it's going to get.
It's going to be beautiful. Our Sunday is going to be great. We'll start off partly cloudy as you go to church, and by midday, partly sunny. Final look at your 8-day forecast when we return. 71 degrees on Sunday, then again on Monday with a 20% chance of rain. Nice week.
Sounds like it. Well, thanks so much for joining us tonight. Have a great night.